Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Once again here with we are going to look at the new Pride stand for 6 days, and we're gonna show our honest opinions. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get off our pets. Okay.
So I was gonna say, guys, that we already bought everything, but we haven't brought the flags yet. We brought all the pet wear because it's cheap, and we bought what is this rainbow trail magic carpet? I bought it, but I don't know. It's in the toy area. Wait,
I
think it's in it. Yeah. No, wait, it's not in the toys.
What? Look in the vehicles.
No, it's not there. Oh, it is. It is.
That is so cool! I thought it was like a trail. Okay, come back, child.
Okay,
is it
child?
Is it
I'm a fully grown woman.
Sure. Is it legendary?
It's uncommon.
Guys, she's just the legendary collector and a mega collector.
Yeah.
She only takes the best of the best.
Yeah, but this one is approved.
Oh, thanks. A Patriot.
Can
oh
I
my.
Legendary. Yeah, I'm gonna trade you legendary.
Why do you want to feed
me? There's your legendary sandwich. Enjoy.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver. I needed this so much.
I know.
Okay, anyways, guys, we're gonna show you.
See if you can get on one with me. Oh my goodness, it's not slowing down.
Okay, so guys, we're just gonna test out the pet wear on a few pets. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but we're first I'm gonna do it on my unicorn because that's a rainbow pet. But 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna do it on my dodo because my dodo's a unicorn. I mean. What did I just say?
Your dodo's a unicorn. You have a unicorn.
I do, but it's not neon or something.
Yeah, I know.
My dodo.
Oh goodness.
But I feel like the dodo is way more neon. I mean, I feel like the dodo is way more colorful.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get you off.
Or maybe I should do my neon bat. I don't know. Girl, I'm literally scrolling through my pets, and I'm like, oh wait, why am I not moving anymore?
Okay, come get on.
Okay, guys, I think this is the perfect place, in front of the best shop ever, to review the
Footwear, yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'm gonna do it on my makeup part because that's actually way more colorful because it's different colors. I'm not gonna stand on you.
Oh yeah, that's so true.
Okay, wait. Let's put everything on, or not everything, just a few things. Now we can show a review. I'm gonna stand here.
So I'm gonna use it on orange. Orange, you're gonna have to take off that crown I gave you. I'm sorry.
Okay. You can also put a few things that are not from the update on your thing.
Yeah. So we have to create a cute outfit. Do we have to use all the Pride things?
No.
Okay.
And you can also put a few things that aren't.
I already have.
Yeah. Sorry.
Is it? I already have this Pride headband. Okay, so I'm still busy. Guys, sorry if it sounds weird that we just switch voices. My mom came in, so I had to pause. Anyways, I'm still doing this. I can see you. Pause, pass, same thing. Anyways, I'm still busy.
My foxy fox. See if you can find me. Oh, you're using a snowman.
Hey, girl, no cheating.
Don't worry, I just saw the back.
Sure. And we're gonna do a trans. No, I don't want a trans bed. Let's just do the Pride LGBTQ badge. And ooh, yes, the wings. Okay, guys, I'm done. Let's ride on orange. Hello. I can't get over how cute he is when he rides. Hey, I see you over there, girl.
No. Okay, I wanted to use the headband, but I saw the certificate. Okay, so this is mine.
Okay,
I put the glasses on. The
we should do a catwalk.
What?
We should do a catwalk. That like you dress up in like a rainbow. I dress up in rainbow.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna tell you when I'm done.
And if you already have a rainbow outfit, because like this girl has like every color in the freaking rainbow in an outfit.
I do. That's what I was gonna. I literally have a rainbow one. Okay, I'm done.
No, you have to create a whole new one. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're a party pooper.
Excuse me? Guys, comment down below. Am I a party pooper? Am I a party pooper? I don't think I'm a party pooper.
Is there any rainbow hair?
I think there are. Like, you just have to scroll like really down. And
yeah.
I wonder if there are any rainbow wings. I'm looking through the wings right now, and
there are. I have one of them on my rainbow outfit, but I'm not allowed to use it apparently, thanks to the party pooper.
Email. Guys, wait, I have a question. Like, who's saying you like better? Mine is it will, hers is yes.
No, mine is just yes.
There is! You are so right, there is. Thank you for not letting me down. Wait, I'm gonna turn into my Roblox avatar. Like, there's less things on. Okay, now I have to find it again. Okay, I'm just gonna type in rainbow. Rainbow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
I just found a section with lots of rainbow things.
What? How? Whoa! I almost fell off my chair.
Oh, that's so cute. But I'm not gonna use it.
What? Why not? I'm her bestie.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
Okay, and
I think I'm gonna keep the pants.
I deserve to know.
No, you don't. And I'm done.
You're done? I'm still looking for those freaking wings.
I have the wings already.
Well, that's just your luck, I guess. Okay, I want to make myself a an angel. I kind of like this top. Like guys,
I have the perfect top.
Whenever I like try to get my word, I'm keeping this top on. It is so perfect. For the
rest of your life.
No. I like these pants. Guys, do not judge my fashion sense. It's just. Frick, I just changed my shirt.
Please judge it.
Excuse me?
You heard me. You heard me, girl.
This girl's so mean, guys. Like, we're in school.
Tell me if you're done and stand in the same place. I'm gonna make an entrance.
An entrance?
Yep.
Okay. This girl can make weird entrances sometimes, so...
So I'm gonna...
What is this?
So when it's 4:27 on the time you have to be done, that's in a minute, so...
No, oh my word.
You gotta hurry up, girl. You got to.
Okay, oh no, I'm not done.
Oh, and if you're done, stand in the same place. I'm gonna make the prettiest entrance ever. Not prettiest, but best.
We're gonna do this, yellow. I hate this face, but we're gonna have to go with it, people.
Are you done?
Remember her? No.
Oh, we have a minute. When it hits 4:27, you have to be done.
Rain. Oh wait.
3, 2, 1. Oh, no, not yet. It's time. Come
No,
on.
it's not. It's not like that on my time. So I still get a few minutes.
Oh, don't lie. We have the same freaking time.
No, we don't. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm
Okay,
gonna
stand in the same place. Stand in the same place.
Okay, I'm standing.
Stand where you just standed.
I am.
No, you're not under the tree.
Okay, I'm under the tree.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ta-ta! Oh.
Those are not.
Like different wings.
Yeah. Guys, comment down who won with a pet and with the outfit.
I won both.
I won.
For extra money, I'm just gonna take my pet to the campsite because we are already here.
Oh
Why don't
yeah,
you come to?
true.
Oh my, that looks so weird. But can I have It's adorable. Or him.
It's a him. It's an orange. That's his gender. It's an orange. Okay, guys. So I think we're gonna end the video right here. We did a few challenges.
I promise to make another color block one soon because I love color block.
And we may do like, what do you call it? Among Us.
Amongst us. That's how you call it. Amongst us.
Amongst Us video soon. Yeah. Maybe we'll upload that. Yeah. Oh my word, have you guys watched that meme? Like, they throw the ball. You wanna go get to me? Yeah!
Okay. But anyways.
We like the
finish the video here, Helena.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed. Bye guys!